There's a hanging question: what do we do with the access? I think, in my opinion, I think one of the things we could do is we could push for this thing called liquid democracy. Apparently, we've had representative democracy for a while, and we've been pushing for this in our region after post-colonial, then conflict after colonial. And now we have a situation where most countries in the region have the capacity to vote for their representatives, to go to parliament, and to administer local taxes so that they can do the social services for their communities. Unfortunately, that system seems to have failed because the elected representatives are misusing the taxes and they're not communicating with their communities, the people who voted them into power. But with the advent of internet, social media, and people's capacity to publish their opinions about what they think should be done with their tax, what should be done with their resources, we see an opportunity here where elected representatives who are absent are now accountable to their citizens because they can't ignore the voice of their citizens. And this also goes to appropriating technology and access for women so that they can have the capacity to also hold power to account and ask for change so that they can also access the resources that they deserve. I think the fact that the majority of women in this entire region are poor is not because there are no resources, it's just because the resources are not being equitably distributed. So there is a lack of accountability that's taking place because there's a disconnect between women's needs and knowing what they need and their representatives. And using these new communication tools, using this access, could actually push for women to change the current context.